There are worries on Wall Street tonight about the prospect of a trade war with a pretty big opponent. Correspondent James Rosen reports on growing tensions between the U.S. and China over something most of us use every day.
In his visit to Wall Street, President Obama explained why he imposed steep new tariffs on Chinese-made tires for passenger vehicles and light trucks.
We do so not to be provocative or to promote self-defeating protectionism. We do so because enforcing trade agreements is part and parcel of maintaining an open and free trading system.
The president's tariff order, announced late Friday night with strong support from the American Steelworkers Union, will remain in effect for 3 years, with a 35% increase in the first year, 30% in the second year, and 25% in the third. The Chinese swiftly launched a formal complaint at the World Trade Organization in Geneva and an investigation into whether U.S.-made auto and chicken products are flooding Chinese markets.
It's not only a tit-for-tat process, there's a political gotcha that they've got going here with focusing on auto parts and chicken parts, which have been sort of more high-profile U.S.-China trade cases in the last year. So they're really kind of trying to stick the knife in.
President Obama and Chinese President Hu Jintao are expected to meet on U.S. soil later this month. And while the two will likely accentuate the positive in Sino-American relations, some lawmakers in the president's own party want him to take stronger action against the Chinese.
Their whole economy is based on access to the U.S. market, and their whole philosophy is in blocking their market to prevent us from exporting to China. For every dollar we import from China, they accept 19 cents in goods from the United States.
Nor does the congressman fear Beijing's holdings of roughly $775 billion in U.S. Treasury securities. Sherman says if the Chinese sold their Treasury bonds, the value of their currency would soar, and their products would cost much more here, meaning tougher times for their own economy. In Washington, James Rosen, Fox.